Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study better. First, define what you want to accomplish before you even open a book. This helps you focus and measure your progress effectively. Next, tackle big assignments by dividing them into smaller, less daunting parts. Finally, establish a regular study routine. Consistency is key to building strong learning habits and retaining information over time. To truly learn, don't just passively read. Practice active recall by quizzing yourself or trying to explain concepts without looking at your notes. This strengthens memory pathways. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to combat the forgetting curve. Also, try teaching the subject to an imaginary friend. Articulating ideas helps you identify gaps in your knowledge. Your environment significantly impacts your focus. Choose a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted by noise or people. Good lighting, like natural light or a bright lamp, is crucial to keep you alert and prevent eye strain during long sessions. Keep your desk tidy and organized. Having everything you need close by minimizes interruptions and helps maintain concentration. Staying motivated is vital for long-term success. Remember to schedule short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to rest your brain and avoid burnout. Celebrate your achievements, big or small, to reinforce positive study habits. This could be a favorite snack or a short walk. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. A little treat for yourself can go a long way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.